Did you know that 1 tablespoon ketchup has 1 teaspoon sugar along with preservatives? And 1 tablespoon mayo has 11 grams of fat, and 1 tablespoon barbecue sauce has 1.5 teaspoon sugar. Soy sauce has less sugar and calories but loaded with almost 900 milligrams of sodium in 1 tablespoon, which is more than half of our daily requirement. And high sodium can cause high blood pressure. So let's make healthy choices and make hummus to use as a spread on whole grain bread, on pita bread or roti wraps, to eat with crunchy veggies. Take 1 cup cooked white chana, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 1 clove of garlic, 1/4 cup roasted and ground sesame seeds which are loaded with calcium, salt to taste, pinch of red chili powder and cumin powder, 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil, ice water enough to blend. Blend all. You can store this in refrigerator for 4 to 5 days. For variation, you can add spinach or beetroot. Black chana hummus is even healthier as it is higher in protein. So think before giving paratha ketchup or mayo sandwich to your children.